Hello, welcome. We're going to look at your LinkedIn profile to see the most important sections that you need to build in order to make an impressive online resume with LinkedIn. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you an account that I just made up, but you're still going to learn how to create all the things that you need for an impressive resume. Okay, so here we are. And this is Charles Hillen that I created. I gave him the same name as me. And so basically you're going to come to the profile section. So after you log in, if you don't have an account, you can create an account. You go to linkedin.com and you'll see a login probably or somewhere to click login. And around on that web page, you'll see underneath the login area, create a new LinkedIn or new to LinkedIn, create a profile, something like that. So I did that and I confirmed the email and everything. And here we are at the profile account. I did some initial setup, so we have some more flexibility of editing and moving around. And the two things that I want to point out first, which are the most important parts about the person who's looking at your resume to connect with you, is two images, this banner here, and then the headshot. So I just found a headshot from online. This is just a random person, but you want to make sure it's something like this, very clear and easy to see your face and a solid background. And then on the banner, you want something that's customized, not just the generic background that they provide you with a simple account. You can go on Fiverr and hire someone very cheaply to create a banner for you, or you can just go to Canva, and then there's many templates that you can play with there that are already set up. You can change a few colors, add a few words. And I would suggest that you don't add too many words into the background. Make it simple, just use a few clear words if you are, and then keep the background stylish but simple, whatever suits your background. In this case, this person, Charles Hillen, he's a mathematics teacher, so you might want to put maybe you maybe want to put some math equations in the back, or just some numbers floating around, and maybe like a chalkboard or something. It's up to you. There's many options that you have available. And then you want to look at the headline, which is right below your name. So mathematics teacher at Broadus International High School, that's his headline. But if you click on this pencil here, you can change the headline. So there's where you can put the first and the last name. And then there's this headline here. So you can make something creative. So mathematics teacher at Broadus International High School. That's just the current job or the last job that the person had, something like that. You can do something different, like guru with numbers, or guru of numbers, something like that. Maybe that's a little bit tacky, but something, if you want to grab the attention, you can be very simple and straightforward. Just put the title of your current position, and you could say something about your seeker of excellence in public education and mathematics, something like that, if you want. Whatever you feel that is what the reader is going to want to see in order to have the desire to look more into your profile. And this is just straightforward stuff: current position, education, the location in industry. The next thing, so that after the banner and the headshot and the headline, you want to look into the about section, because that's where people are going to go first to check out, to look into you and read about you and what summarizes you. You can also call the about section a summary. And all I put here was, I am a software engineer and I'm ready to work. So let's just change this a little bit. You can put, I am passionate about helping young students understand math and excel with confidence. I have taught successfully in this way at 2 major public schools, something like that. Some of the things that are the highlights that you're most proud of, and that really summarize what your value is to others that are looking to find math teachers or software engineers or something like that. And then we want to move to the experience section. And this is something that you have to craft in a way that is compelling and is organized. So you want the title, you want the location, you want the month and year that you started to the month and year you ended, or if your present job, just click currently working there. I can just add a section here and show you. So the title, we'll just put content designer or something like that. And employment type, we'll just put part-time, full-time. Company, we'll do content magic. And for the company, we'll just put content magic. And then the location, we'll just put Seattle, Washington. And we'll say that we worked there from April 2005 to May of 2010. And you will put action verbs to begin all of the bullet points of the highlights of your job. Don't just describe what you did, but put the highlights, the accomplishments of what you did. And this will be much more compelling to the reader. And we'll just put created 10,000 PDFs searchable on new customized platform. So we'll just save that. And then we can see the new experience here. And then, so that's how you add the different experiences. It's very organized for you. You just have to fill in the sections and it'll create it for you. You can also add the education section here. You just click the plus sign in that section, put in the school, the kind of degree, and you want to do in reverse chronological order. So do the PhD first, then the master's, bachelor's, associate's degree, or whatever order you got the associate's degree. Some people might have went back to school. The field of study, so the title of your degree or the title of the license, and obviously straightforward information here. Any description that you might want to put, and then you just save that. I didn't put anything, so I'm just going to click out. And then at the bottom here, you can add skills and endorsements. So it's pretty straightforward. You click the pen again, and you can look at all these skills here, endorse other people by finding them. You can search for them, or people that you already know. You can look through your contacts and then look at their profile and endorse them. Sometimes LinkedIn they just suggests people and then ask them, is so-and-so good at this? And you can just go endorse, endorse, endorse. And it's very simple and straightforward. All right, well, I hope that helped. I hope you understand how to make a more outstanding, more compelling online resume with LinkedIn. The banner, the headshots, the headline, the about section, the work experience, the education section, and adding skills and endorsements.